Sir, with your permission, shall we begin, sir?
Yeah, yeah,
Some
please.
of them are joined. Yes, yes. Nandana, please take over.
Okay, ma'am. Namaste and a warm good afternoon to all. An entrepreneur always searches for change, responds to it, and exploit it as an opportunity. Myself, Nandana, second semester student, and will be the MC for this afternoon. Today, we all have gathered on this virtual platform for the investiture ceremony of the Executive Council of Bhavan's IEDC for the year 2021. It is indeed a pride moment for Bhavan's IEDC as the newly elected office bearers of Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center swears into their roles. Let us begin by invoking the blessing of Lord Almighty.
കാന്തി കാണുവാൻ കണ്ണിനാകേണമേ നല്ല വാക്കിൻ്റെ ശീലു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ നാവിനാകേണമേ സ്നേഹമാകുന്ന ഗീതമോ എൻ്റെ കാതിനിണയാകണേ സത്യമെന്നുള്ള ശീലമോടെ ഞാൻ ശാന്തി അറിയണമേ ഭൂമിയമ്മയെന്നറിയുവാനുള്ള ബോധമുണ്ടാകണേ ജീവജാലങ്ങളാകെയും ജന്മബന്ധുവായിടണേ ജാതിഭേദങ്ങളെന്ന ശാപമോ ദൂരെ മറയണമേ ലോകമൊന്നെന്ന പാഠമെന്നുമിൻ മനസ്സിലെഴുതേണമേ ആ
It is my privilege to welcome you all to the ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to extend my welcome to our beloved Dean, Professor Dr. Rajagopal Nair, who is always a constant source of support and motivation in all our endeavors. Sir, on behalf of all the members of Bhavan's IEDC, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank
Next,
you.
Next, I would like to welcome our faculty members to the ceremony, without whom we students are incomplete. I extend a warm welcome to our Mr. Praveen Siddharthan, mentor and chief coach, Bhavan's IEDC, to this function. We are all aware on how efficiently our former Executive Council of Bhavan's IEDC have organized various activities and put in their efforts for proper coordination of different events. I would like to welcome our former officers, other members of IEDC, and all others who have joined us, accepting our invitation to witness the investiture ceremony of Bhavan's IEDC 2021. Great leaders set out to make a difference, and moreover, it's never about wrong. It's always about God. Now, I invite Ms. Jisma Joseph, former Chief Executive Officer, Bhavan's IEDC, for the presidential address.
Namaste and good evening to all who are gathered here. Bhavan's IEDC is a platform for the student entrepreneurs in scaling and sharpening the entrepreneurial skill sets. Bhavan's IEDC provides a wide variety of opportunities to boost your entrepreneurial aspirations in all possible ways. It also inculcates a culture of sharing of knowledge. It has helped me a lot to boost the skill sets of an entrepreneur in me and gave me an opportunity to connect to the corporate world. Now, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to share my experience as learning as experience and learning as founder CEO Bhavan IEDC. Bhavan IEDC as you all know, was formed last year. During the initial days, I was so unclear of my responsibilities, which made it very difficult for me for a while. But I would like to thank our beloved Dean, Dr. Rajagopalan Nair, for being our backbone in our endeavors and his unfaltering support. And I would also like to take a moment to acknowledge the immense contribution of our nodal officers, Dr. Deepa Unithan and Ms. Ashwati Mohan. Without their support and timely interventions, I couldn't make things possible. Then, I put on record my gratitude to all my team members for their continuous efforts, and they stood with me through every thick and thin. COO Ms. Anne Maria C. Thomas has stood next to me to make sure that everything is connected end to end without any fail. And CFO Ms. Prabha George has always supported me to coordinate each and every event in an orderly manner. And no event of Bhavan IEDC wouldn't be a success without the technical support. And it was provided to us without fail by our CTO Ms. Avnish CB. The attractive posters of each event showed the finest of creativity of our CCO, Ms. Kasturi Mohankrishnan, and the external communications were communicated without any flaw by CMO, Mr. Bharat. Once again, I thank all the founder executive council members for their support and cooperation. Today, we have a group of energetic young minds to take over the Bhavan IEDC, and I'm very sure that your sincere efforts will take the center to great heights. All the best and thank you.
Thank you, Jisma. Next, I invite Ms. Anne-Marie C. Thomas, former Chief Operating Officer, Bhavan's IEDC, for presenting the report of the activities organized by Bhavan's IEDC since its
Annual Report 2020 to 2021. The year for Bhavan's IEDC has been one of idea exchanging, building long-term relationships, and took part in various events organized by the KSUM. The members of Bhavan's IEDC, innovators as well as students, got the opportunity to conduct various programs through which all of them acquired lot of learning experience. Hereby presenting the annual report of 2020 to 2021. Next slide. November 10th, the Bhavan's IEDC has been virtually inaugurated at 4:30 p.m. by the Honorable Minister of External Affairs and Parliamentary Affairs, Sri V. Muralidharan, along with the presence of Sri Venugopal C. Govind, Sri Ramankutti Warrior, Sri S.R. Nair, Sri Gobinathan, and Dr. Rajagopalan Nair, faculty members, and all other students. November 21st. The first event we conducted was an interactive webinar session on what to expect in an entrepreneurial journey by Sri Praveen Shashidharan, a certified business coach as well as alumni of Bhavan's Royal Institute of Management. The session familiarized on entrepreneurship and why the government give more encouragement for entrepreneurs, and finally covered about various entrepreneurial development, essential traits that an entrepreneur requires, and moved on by explaining each methods like how to build a startup and also about the opportunities of entrepreneurship in different sectors. December 6th, Bhavan's IEDC presented a workshop on baking entrepreneurship by Ms. Jaisha J. Kishan, founder of LFB, Love at First Bite. The session covered the way of her baking entrepreneurship as well as the guidelines on how to start baking from base level to venture, and covered various areas on tips to follow while going with the cake entrepreneurship career. December 21st to 23rd. As part of the advent of the season of joy, Bhavan's IEDC has organized a cake fest from December 21st to 23rd. There were in total 3 star bakers who took part in the bake fest. In that, 2 students, Ashley and Ashna, were from Bhavan's Royal Institute of Management, and Lakshmi was from the Bhavan School, who studies in the 6th grade. In total, 24 orders were received and successfully delivered to customers on the date and time they opted, in which cakes were sold at a value of rupees 15,280, and each baker earned a profit around rupees 350 per head. It was indeed a great learning experience for the whole team, as well as bakers had got a new customer base too. January 30th, an event as of a curated interview with Mrs. Rita Mathan of Pronails Kochi. The CCO of Bhavan's IEDC, Ms. Kasturi Mohanakrishnan, curated the interview, which covered the aspects behind the idea of nails, role of nails in building confidence, and the challenges faced by her entrepreneurship post-COVID-19 scenario and networking of celebrities. February 21st, an interactive session by Mr. Akhil S. Pai, Senior R&D Engineer, and Mr. Vishnu Shenoy, User Experience Designer, on the topic Robotics and Design, Entrepreneurship and Startup Challenges in India, was conducted, which covered various steps on how successful entrepreneurial business can be started and how an innovative product in robotics can be made, and further explained the main problems that entrepreneurs face in India in view of robotics and design. They deeply explained about what are the efforts to be taken and also various steps in designing robots. March 17. The Bhavan's IEDC has organized a concept hunt 2021 for the undergraduate students, wherein the competition has been organized to identify disruptive ideas and stimulating young minds to think creatively and work towards the innovative ideas. In total, there were 3 rounds. The Concept Hunt 2021 had a participation of 17 colleges across Kerala. The team entries were judged solely on the merit of their business idea with respect to the opportunity recognition, innovation, and commercial viability. The winners were declared. The first prize worth rupees 10,000 was secured by Mohammad Nihal and Sharnad VS of MES College of Engineering, and second prize worth rupees 5,000 was secured by Ryan Abraham and Vishnu B. Menon of Federal Institute of Science and Technology. Third prize worth rupees 2,000 secured by Julfa T. of MES Onani College, and consolation prize worth rupees 1,500 by Mohammad Sahil of Bhavan's College of Arts and Commerce. April 17. A curated interview with Mr. Ravi Shankar of Hashbush Kochi on the topic A New Saga in Fast Fashion Setup, a talk show with founder of India's first crowd design fashion store. Program was curated by Ms. Naina ER, the innovator of Bhavan's IEDC. She curated the interview covering the entrepreneurial success journey, the idea behind starting the crowd design fashion store, challenges he faced, and how they had set up a strong customer base and networking, as well as the post-COVID-19 scenario. Although it was indeed a great learning experience for the whole team, and even though during this pandemic situation too, all of us managed to conduct various events through the virtual platform, as well as able to create a good network too. I also express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Dean, nodal officers, and committee members for their constant support as well as guidance, and also to the office bearers and innovators for their wonderful efforts to make the event success. We hope our juniors would be able to take this to the next level in the coming year. Wishing all the best to the new office bearers. Thank you.
Thank you, Anne-Maria. Now, I call upon Ms. Jisma Joseph, former CEO, to announce the Executive Council of Bhavan's IEDC for the year 2021.
With all your permission, I would like to announce the new Executive Council members of Bhavan's IEDC. Ms. Steffi Paiva, Chief Executive Officer of Bhavan's IEDC for the academic year 2021.
Hello, I'm Steffi. I live in Bardala with my family. I'm a girl with a lot of dreams, and I believe that one of my greatest strengths is that I pay attention even to the minute details in my work. I'm an absolute extrovert and love to work with groups. I'm also good at multitasking. If I were to say one of my weaknesses, it would be that I get pressurized really fast. But the other side of the story is that I'm 10 times more productive and dedicated while under pressure. It helps to increase the quality of my work. Thank you.
Mr. Nivin Alex, Chief Operating Officer of Bhavan's IEDC for the academic year 2021.
Hi, a warm good evening to everyone. Myself is Nivin Alex, and I am from South Chittoor. And My strength includes, of course, creativity.
Ms. Abarna K, Chief Finance Officer of Bhavan IDC for the academic year 2021.
Hi, I'm Aparna. I am from Toronto. I'm a simple guy with many dreams. One of my greatest strengths is to cope with pressure and think clear-headed in a pressurized situation. I'm also a quick decision maker and a punctual person. I also love to work in groups and can adapt to situations pretty easily. And as far as my weaknesses goes, I'm a bit of an introvert and an overthinker. That's all about me. Thank you.
Mr. Rajat Rajagopal, Chief Technical Officer of Bhavan IDC for the academic year 2021.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Rajat Rajagopal. I'm basically from Alamakara, Kallur. My strengths include I'm a friendly person, I am self-confident, and I approach everything with a positive attitude. At the same time, my weakness include I trust everyone easily. Thank you.
Ms. Ashley Dominic, Chief Creative Officer of Bhavan IDC for the academic year 2021.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm from Kallur. I'm a person who loves to create and explore new things around me, and I'm very much passionate about my works also. And I think one of my greatest strengths is that I'm a people person who tends to understand others, and I'm very much flexible to handle changes around me so quickly. And when saying about my weakness, I have a trouble to say no to things, and I end up on taking more than I can handle. But I have to say that it has also helped me to increase my capacity to take on more works. Thank you.
Mr. Rahul Babu, Chief Marketing Officer of Bhavan IDC for the academic year 2021.
Hi, I'm Rahul Babu. I'm from Purubra. While talking about my strength and weakness, I believe that the ability to adapt to changes so quickly is one of my biggest strengths. I take all the things in a positive way. I tend to be overly critical of myself. I feel that I could have done it in a more better way. This is my biggest weakness. That's all about me. Thank you.
We believe you all shall definitely inspire others with your able leadership and influence those around you with your managerial skills. An oath is a solemn promise, invoking a divine witness. Now, I request the newly elected CEO, Ms. Steffi Paiva, to initiate oath-taking ceremony.
We, the officers in various capacities, solemnly swear that we will faithfully serve as members of Bhavan's IDC Executive Council and will, to the best of our abilities, fulfill our roles and responsibilities towards the entrepreneurship ecosystem development of this institution. We will conduct ourselves in a spirit of collegiality and respect for the collective decisions of the board, always upholding the Bhavan's vision and values. I thank the Lord Almighty and all the teachers and students for the confidence showed in me. Thank you all for the honor once again. Now I request all the participants to switch on their cameras to mark the moment.
Congratulations to all the new office bearers and wish them good luck to take up their new roles with dedication and perseverance. Now, I invite Chief Executive Officer Ms. Steffi Paiva to speak a few words.
A very good afternoon to all. Today, I'm here with my heart full of gratitude. Let me first thank the Dean of this institution, Dr. Rajagopalan Nair, Nodal Officers, Dr. Deepa Unnithan and Mrs. Ashwati Mohan, and all the other teachers for creating management opportunities for us. I'm deeply grateful to all my classmates and the innovators who have voted for me. I believe that all who are selected to the IEDC Council are efficient in handling their duties. Together, we will form an excellent team. We also realize the responsibilities that come with this. The previous office bearers are our inspiration, and their valuable advices will be the backbone of all our activities. We will work towards fulfilling the dreams of future entrepreneurs. On behalf of the new council members, I thank you all once again.
Now, I humbly invite our Dean, Professor Dr. Rajagopal Nair, to offer felicitation.
Good evening, friends. Thank you very much, Nandana. Dear respected faculty members, especially the nodal officers, Dr. Deeba Unnithan and Ashwathi Mohan, other respected faculty members, my dear students, and I hope Praveen Shashidharan is also joining us. And a warm good afternoon to each one of you. Actually, I do not know what to speak. Why? Because being the head of the institution, I prefer more to give thanks rather than to speak on entrepreneurship. And I would like to thank our nodal officers, Dr. Deeba Unnithan and Ms. Ashwathi Mohan, because a year back, that was maybe in the month of March, April 2020, that is at the beginning of the pandemic, this the notice of starting an IEDC in affiliated colleges has been received from the Kerala Startup Mission, and even before that, we had a good rapport with Kerala Startup Mission, and that culminated into a dialogue between the institution and Kerala Startup Mission, and our nodal officers, in fact, took it up, and after 2-3 months of hard efforts, in the month of October, we received the nod from Kerala Startup Mission and recognizing your institute, Bhavan's Royal Institute of Management, as an IEDC, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. Ever since receiving this sanction from Kerala Startup Mission, under the leadership of your nodal officers, they started working upon this. And one day, Dr. Deeba Unnithan came to my cabin and she said, "Sir, we have to inaugurate Bhavan's IEDC. And sir, if a minister is available, there will be nothing like that." And actually, till that time, this was not in our mind actually. Why? Because IEDC can be inaugurated, we will do it. But see, whenever you think high, then only things are possible. And when she put forward this suggestion, why don't we think about a minister, then we started searching for. And ultimately, we ended up in getting a central minister, and on November 10th, it was inaugurated by the central minister V. Muralidharan. November means it may be now by this time only 7-8 months are over, only 6 to 7 months are over. But after inauguration, what enthusiasm I have seen among the children, among the students, and there is no limit for that. I do not have the words to express that. Under the proper and able guidance of the nodal officers, the students, especially the second MBA students, you know, they took initiative, they came forward, and they received the cooperation and coordination from the junior batch, and both the batches together, they started discussing each other, they came out with programs, and of course, from time to time, there were inputs given by our nodal officers. Why? Because they are the people who know about the rules and regulations, how the program is being conducted. Why? Because we have to strictly follow the guidelines given by Kerala Startup Mission. And entrepreneurship, you know, actually this is one concept for about 20-25 years in almost all arts and science colleges and engineering colleges and MBA colleges. This is there. But only when Kerala Startup Mission came out with a program that we are ready to fund you, we are ready to give you money, you work upon this. Don't create employees, please create entrepreneurs. Create the employers in your institution and see that people are coming out with some good ideas. And we had some discussion with Kerala Startup Mission when then they said, sir, if 100 ideas are coming, one may be successful, but that is enough. That is enough for us to create a entrepreneurship culture in the state. That is enough. And nowadays, for the last 3-4 months, when I have been reading the business column, to my surprise, I can't believe how many startups, even day before yesterday, one startup has come out with a program where the ATM will come to your doorsteps. An app has been developed and you want your money from ATM, right? You just download this app and put your directions and the banker will come to your doorstep with money with ATM machine. These are all the ideas that is coming up. And therefore, this state, what I feel, this state is coming up like anything in the field of entrepreneurship, my dear friends. Therefore, my dear students who are listening to me, that you think about entrepreneurship. Of course, getting a job is easy and secure. But more than that, if there is entrepreneurship, there is creativity in you. You are taking risks. And that will be a lifelong learning for you. And this platform, IEDC, Bhavan's IEDC, has given a lot of opportunities to all of you. And in a period of 6 to 7 months, I'm very happy to note that 7 programs are being conducted by the previous committee, previous executive, headed by Jisma and that team. Jisma is there and Maria, like that. A team of 7 students were there and they did extremely well and they participated in many programs, right? And I'm very happy about it because I know you are having the potential. You are having that potential to come up and challenge this world. Yes, we are here. And you made a signature in this field. And if the things are going like this, my new team, headed by Steffi, today they took the oath and they took the charge. And let me congratulate Steffi Paiva, Nivin, Aparna, Rajat, Ashley, and Rahul. And see, you 7 people, please keep in mind, when you are voted, when you are brought to this position by a democratic way, do you know what is the message? The message is the whole class is there to support you. That is the meaning. The whole class, your friends are there to support you. Why? Because they wanted you to lead Bhavan Saeed. That is the message. They really wholeheartedly wanted you people to lead Bhavan's IEDC, and that is the reason you have been voted to power. And I'm very sure with the proper and able guidance of Dr. Deepa Unnitan and Ashwati Mohan, you can able to achieve a lot in the next year, that is 21-22. And you will be torch bearers for your juniors. And what good work has been done by your seniors, right? That is the lead team headed by Jisma. You can follow their steps. Take the advice from your nodal officers and see that very creative people are there in your batch. Very wonderful people are there. And our duty is to bring them out, to give them a stage, to encourage them, to think over that and to become more creative. And I thank wholeheartedly the team under the leadership of Jisma, who are giving the way for the new team today. The team Jisma, I'm so happy that you did a lot of work during these 6-7 months. And not only that, 3 startup ventures are going on in the college. If one will become successful, I will be the there is no words to express my feelings. If one will become successful, I pray for that. Similarly, I would like to congratulate once again the new team headed by Steffi Paiva. We are all there. All the teachers and non-teaching staff of Bhavans will be there to help you. You need not worry about it. You organize programs. create a goodwill. First, you believe yourself. Yes, we can do and achieve something. And instead of looking for a job, you give a message to your fellow students, your friends in the class. You can also become entrepreneurs. I don't see anybody in the class who is inferior. I feel all the 60 are gems, and all the 60 are having the capacity, and all the 60 can do something in their life. Why? Because all of them are achievement oriented. And we are having leaders of 7 students, a group of 7 students who are there to lead you and who are properly guided by our nodal officers. Nothing to worry about. Okay, come out with the programs. We will organize it. And before my close, before my come to the end of my speech, I would like to express my sincere thanks to one person. Right from beginning, that person is there with us. He has been a part of this institution, and he is alumni of this institution. None other than Praveen Shashidharan. See, whenever we invite him for any program, he never said no so far. In whatever, why? Because he believes in a philosophy of giving back. He is the student of this institution in the first batch of a management program, first batch. And even today he is there with us, and therefore he is a role model for all the students. How much he loves his institution. He used to step in, he used to guide our students, he used to help us. And when he was in McDonald's, he used to take 4 or 5, even last year 8 students for interns. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Praveen Shashidharan, and expecting the same in the days to come and in the years to come. And I would like to once again congratulate the new team and all my best wishes, those who are giving up your authorities, that is the team JISMA, and all my best wishes to the new team, and my special thanks to the nodal officers and all my students. Right, with the help and support of you people, we can achieve new heights. Nothing, we are second to none. Please believe in yourself and we will achieve. May God bless all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Together, everyone achieves more, which was literally proved by the former Bhavan's IEDC team. We are indeed delighted to express our thanks to the outstanding leadership of Ms. Jisma Joseph that helped the team to accomplish its goals. The team's priceless contributions to the setting up of Bhavan's IEDC has set the foundation of our entrepreneurial ecosystem, which will be awarded with certificates of accolade. Hope you keep on wearing your thinking cap and reach newer heights in your career. We wish your new roles would be an amazing chance to show the world what you are capable of, and wishing you all good luck for your future endeavors. Finally, I invite Ms. Feba George, former Chief Financial Officer, for proposing vote of thanks.
Thank you, Vandana. Good afternoon to all. It is said that gratitude is not only the greatest of virtue, but the parent of all others. On behalf of everyone who have virtually gathered here, it is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. My heart fills with lots of respect and gratitude for our honorable Professor Dr. Rajgopalan Nair for not only sparing his invaluable time for us to grace this occasion, but also enlightening us with his commendable talk. I would also like to thank Mr. Praveen Sir for his valuable presence in this auspicious occasion. Next, I would like to thank our nodal officers and teachers for their support and valuable time. This program wouldn't be a success without their valuable support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and every student for your kind presence and support. without which we couldn't have accomplished what we have dreamt for. Once again, I thank all of you for your support and wish all the very best for the new office bearers. Thank you.
Nandana, just 1 minute. Avinash, I want to see you on the screen. Avinash. Please, all of you, please clap. And Avinash is the person behind all these presentations. Avinash, you have done a wonderful thing.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of all of us, a special thanks to you for what you did.
Thank you.
Wonderful presentation and wonderful coordination. You did everything happened. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Nandana.
Okay, sir. Thus, we come to the closure of the investiture ceremony of Bhavan's IEDC 2021. Let us all rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Once again, thank you all for joining us this evening. Stay home, stay safe.